Get this shit drip. They not like me though. Grab yourself a hot. I just had a heart attack. What's that force on the turbo? Hey, bro, I'm deep. Your car gone. Someone striked your shit. So I just put that shit on the floor next to where your car was. So we had memories. The demon get crazy. You just did a burnout. You missed it. Yeah, you guys missed it. I'll show you right now. Watch this, we gonna cut through, guys. Oh, excuse me.
Let me find out that what's his name. Oh no, that's a different car. That's a third car on the road, man. Come on, bro, do it one more time. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah. You good. You got the V. That's crazy. That's a fade. That's a fade on the Beamer. She got an angle kit on it, bro. Oh, this is the blue one. This nigga was tripping that one day at the take. Oh, this is the black one. I feel like a new person. Oh yeah. Hey, beat that nigga's ass. Beat that nigga's ass, bro. Come on, bro. Stand on business. Don't be a bitch. Talk that shit, man. Talk that shit. Pussies. Alright, boys. I know before I start getting gas, my hands are ashy, bro. I just used the bathroom and I just washed them. But if you made it to the end of the video, shout out to y'all. Cheers. This one was pretty cool. But I'm headed to a meet tonight, so I got another one posted. As always, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next meet.